Hello. I am AI anchor Sana. You are watching Aaj AI. Let's have a look at the AI and tech update. Rahman, a renowned musician, has used AI to recreate the voices of late singers Bamba, Bakya and Shahul Hameed in a song for the movie Lal Salaam. Despite criticism, Rahman defended the use of AI in the music industry, stating that it can be a tool for advancement rather than a threat to jobs. Rahman, a prominent AI advocate, compared the introduction of AI to the purchase of a computer in 1984, which was feared to lead to job loss. He sees AI as a way to coexist and uplift society, eradicating barriers and providing opportunities for education and leadership in arts and sciences. He advocates for AI to improve lives and enhance creativity without displacing workers, thereby enhancing artistic expression. Additionally, Rahman announced his return to Malayalam cinema with The Goat Life, starring Prithviraj Sukumaran. Many people wonder, will AI take my job? It's a common concern, and for good reason. AI, a technology that could potentially replace coders, has been a topic of debate among experts. Some believe it could lead to job losses in Indian IT companies, while others, like Nvidia CEO, believe it could democratize creativity and improve work quality. However, Adobe India's Vyshak Venugopalan and Microsoft India's Samik both expressed optimism about AI's potential to enhance our lives and work. Venugopalan believes AI will make it easier for more people to enter the workforce, democratize creativity, and raise the quality of work with proper education and support. Roy emphasizes the importance of ongoing learning and reskilling in the age of AI, acknowledging the fear of job loss but seeing AI as reducing the learning curve and expanding job opportunities. Both companies emphasize the importance of using AI responsibly and ethically, particularly in training it to avoid harmful biases or misinformation. Elon Musk has made his AI chatbot, GrokAI, open source, allowing researchers and developers to work with it and improve its language understanding. The company behind GrokAI, XAI, released the model's architecture and waits under the Apache 2.0 license, with instructions available on GitHub. The model, called Grok 1, has been trained from scratch with 314 billion parameters but has not been tailored for specific tasks. Musk has previously criticized OpenAI for shifting focus from their original mission to making money and even sued them for breaching their contract and engaging in unfair practices. OpenAI CEO, Sam Altman, shared past conversations showing Musk supported Tesla despite criticism in 2019. Musk co-founded OpenAI in 2015 but left in 2018, giving up his ownership stake. The company's CEO, Sam Altman, shared Musk's past support for OpenAI's profits and even wanted full control of the company. Nvidia, a big tech company known for its computer chips, is in talks to buy a company called Run AI. Run AI helps manage and organize artificial intelligence systems. The deal could be worth up to $1 billion. Run AI recently got $75 million in funding from investors. Run AI was started by Omri Jella and Dr. Ronain Dar in 2018. They built software to help AI systems run better on powerful chips like GPUs. Their software organizes and shares computing power efficiently. If Nvidia buys Run AI, it would be their first purchase in Israel since buying Mellanox in 2019 for $6.9 billion. Nvidia's chips are super popular for AI tasks like ChatGPT. Investors love Nvidia, and its stock has soared, making it one of the most valuable companies in the world. It's a big reason why the stock market has been doing well lately. The government changed its advice to big social media companies about using artificial intelligence. Before, they needed government permission to use AI that wasn't fully tested. But now, they don't need permission. Instead, they must label unreliable AI. They also need to make sure AI doesn't break any laws or discriminate. They should tell users if AI might not be accurate. The government still wants to spot fake content. They want companies to label it and say if it's been changed by AI. They also want to know who changed it. This advice goes to big social media companies like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. It's not clear if the advice is a rule. The government said it's just a suggestion. The government was worried about fake content, especially during elections. They said companies could face legal trouble if they don't follow the rules. Do tell us what you think about this video in comments section, and for more AI news updates subscribe to Aaj AI.